The V12 Ferrari is back, and it's better than ever. Meet the brand new 2025 Ferrari 12Cilindri, a masterpiece of Italian engineering that blends raw power, luxury, and timeless design. This is Ferrari's ultimate grand tourer, a car built for purists who crave the symphony of 12 cylinders. Ferrari has crafted a stunning, aerodynamically refined body that pays homage to classic models while embracing the future. The long hood, low stance, and sculpted rear give it a commanding presence on the road. Sleek LED headlights and active aerodynamics ensure both beauty and performance go hand in hand. This car isn't just about speed, it's about precision, elegance, and passion wrapped into one breathtaking design. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast. A naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces a mind-blowing 830 horsepower and 678 Nm of torque. Ferrari has kept its promise to V12 lovers by delivering a screaming, high-revving powertrain that sends chills down your spine. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the 12-Cilindri delivers lightning-fast shifts and a top speed of over 211 miles per hour. This is grand touring at its absolute finest. And now for a little insight into the making of the Toyota. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. Ferrari's signature dual-screen layout provides crystal-clear infotainment and a fully digital gauge cluster, ensuring you stay connected while experiencing pure driving exhilaration. The steering wheel integrated controls, premium bucket seats, and custom carbon fiber trim make this interior feel like a cockpit designed for speed and comfort. Ferrari has engineered the 12-Cilindri with advanced suspension, all-wheel steering, and a cutting-edge electronic differential, ensuring that every corner is precise and controlled. Whether you're cruising the highway or attacking tight bends, this Ferrari delivers a thrilling yet stable ride. The 2025 Ferrari 12-Cilindri is a masterpiece that celebrates the legacy of Ferrari's V12 heritage. With unmatched performance, breathtaking design, and luxurious comfort, this grand tourer is a dream machine for enthusiasts worldwide. Footnote: $400,000 plus. Estimated. If you're a Ferrari purist, this is the ultimate modern expression of V12 excellence. What do you think of the 2025 Ferrari 12-Cilindri? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. vtax.fm/Ferrari. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible automotive content. Stay tuned for more on Auto World. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.